Yeah, my name na Emeka Chimeze from Nigeria. Arsenal, support Arsenal football team. I become Arsenal fan the year 2003 when Arsenal played their Invisible. And then I start to like Arsenal the year 2003 when they played that their Invisible. And then I start to like Arsenal. Number one at Thierry Henry. Thierry Henry, I be the person who give me joy that time when they play that Invisible, because the way they score, the way they play, the way they do everything, that guy give me joy for 2003. Will make me say I call love Arsenal well. That guy give me joy well. Thierry Henry. Two now, Patrick Vieira. The way they did for that place, Patrick Vieira give me joy, because for if he did for center, nobody they pass and they play like mad. They play well. Maybe say from that place. Why the number 3 person maybe say my all-time player and the number 3 owner, the Arsenal goalkeeper Lema, because that keeper try for Arsenal at that time. Lema, the keeper way beside I love so much, because me, my person way beside they keep if I so I love keeper well. Nah, the one is now all time na Professor Arsene Wenger na. Professor Arsene Wenger. Na the only man wey be say wey sabi wey give us joy wey be say till tomorrow sef na the all-time coach of all time for EPL. Number one improvement I would like to see na that striking form, because now as we dey so we need striker well. We need striker badly. We need some person wey go dey finish for us, wey go be say our number one man wey be say one man riot wey go dey for front. He go dey give us joy. Wey be say anytime we see am, he go just dey give us joy If you don't cross and nod, that's way be say if they cross, anybody wey cross come, go your man them give am him. I be the one that striker for us like person. I want to be Arsenal get nice striker. They get nice striker, and that is number one improvement, because we don't get all these players who we want. But number 2 now, midfielder. We need another midfielder too, because if na back, we don't get our Zuma Rock for back. We don't get our number 1. So what do we need now? The main place will go may improve now. That striking form now want to improve. That one no there now, Baba. That one no there. No, I know if you join, I know if you collect enter, no, I know if you collect money for Arsenal here. I don't come up for Arsenal where this Arsenal flood that period, and now because of money I go come out. I know if you come out to nothing will make me come up for Arsenal. Even the wife man marry herself, now Man U fans, I convert them to Arsenal. So nothing will make me come out, join come up for Arsenal. Arsenal now there we die there. Nothing go consider, nothing go happen. Hey, nothing. You get the period where be say even for my friends or for some of my friends or Arsenal fans or where for this like go day, all of them can't get the period where be say Arsenal they shake. All of them call the deviate, they come out. I try and say I see day till tomorrow. This my jersey. At every season, I they buy jersey steady of Arsenal. They follow them steady. So nothing go make me come out. Nothing. Even though they go down. Even though they go anywhere, not say they go elevation, anywhere they go, I follow the enter there. I there with it, nothing. Sure now, that top 4, we go limit am. We must enter top 4 this season. No, I don't want to hear people they talk say outstanding of not outstanding. Those people they say they get outstanding. Now they don't play their outstanding, they lose and they draw. We must win our match. They go. We must go. That's top 4. We go seal us very soon. They go play their stand. They finish. We go seal our top 4. I see Arsenal entering top 4 this season. Not be next season. Now this season. My hope is seeing Arsenal entering top 4 this season. This season, not next season. Anybody will say next season. They plan to say now this season that top 4 we go seal us. January we enter top 4. Date for January enter there go. In May we go there. Top 4 we don't enter there. We don't enter. We know they come out. Those people they say they get standing man, they go they draw and they lose. We see they our top 4. Yeah, the only player I fit bring back now na Thomas Rosicky. Hey, I know they play with that guy. That guy na magician. Thomas Rosicky. I know they play with that guy. So I so much love that guy. The way they play for it, if he dey for center, the way they play, everything they give me joy. So I go love if I see him today for Arsenal. I go say happy say make the guy number 7 jersey may play for Arsenal. If he get the strength to play, Thomas Rosicky. I'm an all-time player of Arsenal. My advice to Arsenal fans be say when everybody get hope, when they continue they support Arsenal everywhere they anyhow anything what they fit do they support Arsenal. When they support and they follow all page of Arsenal, they follow all likes, so they do everything, all news of Arsenal they follow, they contribute to Arsenal things. Any news of any followers, whether they follow, whether they subscribe, whether they do everything, whether they support Arsenal anywhere because Arsenal they move to the greater high. Arsenal now don't move to the greater high. We want everybody to continue to support Arsenal everywhere where you take. Continue to support Arsenal. We know where they go back again. Now forward will they go? Anybody wait to say will they go back? That person they do itself. For we now forward they go because we get the future hope. All those people future hope for Arsenal they play. They all of them they gallant. We are ready to move to the higher place. See us. They go see us for Champions League next season. So when they get hope say we go to Champions League next season.